Hey, your audio's working, man. 612 Skip Junkie. 612 Skip Junkie, West Coast to Canada waving. Hey, Big Red, bring it back. We got some sidebanders in there. Big Red, 612 waving.
612 sounding good down in the Bayou. Come on.
Hey, Big Red Louisiana, you're making a trip up here. There's some sidebanders on this one, though, but you're definitely making a good trip, buddy. You got 612 Skip Junkie, far west coast to Canada waving.
Hey, 612, I got a lot of bleed over off of 28. 612, got a lot of bleed over off of channel 28, but you're sounding good there for a little bit there. Have a good one, take care of that way, Big Red, down in the middle of the bayou, way the mail.
All right there, Big Red, in the middle of Louisiana. 73s to you, buddy. Thanks for the comeback, and have a great night, my friend. 612 Skip Junkie, west coast to Canada, reading the mail.
That's it for that. Okay, you have a good one yourself. You take care, God bless you and your family. Big Red in the bayou, I'm gone.
Cheers.